Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of tricks that you can use this carpet and room refresher for on things other than carpets. And the first one being definitely your upholstery. I can link a video down below where I use baking soda and essential oils to clean my couches and mattresses and different things. And basically we're going to be doing that exact same thing just with this pre-made cleaner. If you want to do a little bit more of a natural route, definitely check out that video. I'll link it down below. But if you're looking for convenience and something that's always going to be mixed up and ready to go, having one of these underneath your sink is definitely ideal. All you have to do is go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of this on here, give it a couple minutes, let it sit, vacuum it off, and you're good to go. The next thing you can use this on is definitely your mattresses. I think this is my favorite use because we all know kids' mattresses can get really gross sometimes. They need a little bit of a refresh. And having this just pre-made and ready to go is super convenient. Just let this sit for 15-20 minutes. You could even do longer if you really wanted to, an hour, 2 hours, vacuum it off, and just like that, it's gonna be a really great refresh for the mattress. The last thing I really like to use this on is actually just my area rugs. It might seem like common sense because this is a carpet cleaner, but just to throw it on a small area rug really quick, to give it a really quick refresh is really nice, and like I said, super convenient. To teach me how to clean today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to refresh my couches naturally, kind of help remove the odors. We have pets, we allow them up on the couches. I know that's not for everybody, but we also have 3 kids, all of which obviously create odor. I'm going to show you how I use baking soda and just a little bit of essential oil of your choice to refresh my couch, just make it smell really nice again without having to break up my rug doctor, which can be really inconvenient, especially as a mom of 3 young kids. I don't have the time to break out my carpet cleaner and rug doctor my couches once a week, twice a week, or even once a month, let's just be honest. So this is what I do in between all those rug doctor sessions to help keep the odor off my couch, just help maintain it, revitalize it. I'm going to take just a little bit of this baking soda here and pour it into a bowl. I can link a video down below where I do the same thing on my mattress. I'm just going to drop a couple of drops of my essential oil in here, of course. You can use whatever's your favorite. I'm using lavender. That tends to be my go-to essential oil of choice. Here we are over on the couch. We are going to be doing this on, and what you're going to want this strainer for is we're going to dump this in here, so a little bit at a time, and I'm just gonna go section by section, and the strainer helps just kind of make sure that the baking soda is getting everywhere and not just clumped up in one big spot. It just helps spread it out a little bit. So I've learned through trial and error, I like doing just a little bit at a time and then just going through section by section. I like doing this on my mattress too. It's a little bit easier for me to maintain. Now I'm just gonna go back through and get those areas I didn't get very well. Maybe just a little bit right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit. You could let this sit overnight if you really wanted to. I'm just gonna let it sit for probably 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna come back with my vacuum it all off, and I can already smell all the essential oils. It's delicious. This might be something really fun to do right before the holidays if you're hosting for a big meal like Thanksgiving or Christmas and you wanted to mix in some fun essential oils, and this might be something a little bit more natural, less perfumey than spraying Febreze on your furniture. You could definitely do this on recliners as well, on area rugs, really whatever you wanted to do. And I think that's what makes this so awesome and a really nice hack to know, because you can apply it to so many different things like your mattress, area rugs, pillows, all of those things, which is super awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I vacuumed off this cushion so you can see what it looks like when it's done. You can see that there are still some white spots where the baking soda is kind of sitting. It doesn't stain it, but I do have a damp cloth here to get some of these spots. I would just run this over my couch and it'll kind of get rid of those white streaks, and it looks brand new. So it does come up. They do come up. So here's the cushion with the baking soda and the essential oil still, and that one is brand new. I'm going to be sprinkling baking soda and some essential oils all over my mattress, and I'm going to be telling you why I do this as well. First off, this is a great way to just deodorize your mattress in general. Kids, pets, dogs, cats, whatever it is, night sweats. I'm sure our mattresses have seen it all. It's not just one of us. All of us have at least one of those things going on in our mattress pretty much on a nightly basis. The baking soda naturally is going to deodorize your mattress. You don't have to add the essential oil, however, it does just add a really nice aroma, and that's really it. There's no other purpose to the essential oil. I like to use essential oils that are supposed to help promote good sleep. If you believe in that thing, cool. If not, I totally understand. I just think they smell good. I like to stick. I really like the lavender and cedar wood, or just straight lavender. Jasmine would also be really nice for this, but if those are definitely not up your alley, you could just do lemon, orange. No need to order a fancy essential oil that's $45 for a teeny tiny bottle. I get mine from Walmart. They're practically the exact same thing, and they work just as well as those really expensive ones from like Young Living or something. The reason I'm going to be sprinkling this on my mattress, it actually helps with bed bugs. It's supposed to dry them out, all of the things. Like I said, it helps deodorize and just refresh your mattress. It's a good thing to do. This would be something really nice during the springtime for your spring cleaning routines, or doing it every time you rotate your mattress, or every time you wash your sheets, depending on how often you actually wash them. I wash my sheets once a week. I do this about once every, if I'm being real, 3-4 months to my mattress. Sometimes more if it's really needing it. But in this bowl here, I have mixed together 1 cup of baking soda, and just for reference, I have a king-sized bed, and this will cover my entire bed, plus just a couple drops of my essential oil of choice. Like I said, you can definitely skip this. If you don't have it, you don't like them, you don't want them, go ahead. You don't even have to use these. The reason I have my strainer here is because I'm actually going to dump my baking soda essential oil mixture into my strainer, so I can go ahead and shake the strainer across my whole bed. That way it gets dispersed evenly, and it'll help me just make sure I get it across all of the mattress and I don't have a lot of bare spots. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna just dump it in here, and I'm gonna move really quickly and just kind of get it all over and kind of lightly shake. So you can see that this is definitely a hack that I wish I would have known when I did this the first couple of times. So you guys can see it's all over the bed. I know it looks a little sparse up there, but it's definitely up there. It's just not as thick as other areas may be. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this sit on my mattress as long as it takes to wash my bedding. I'm gonna come back with my vacuum it all off, and that is pretty much it. It's a really quick, easy, simple way to just give your whole mattress a good refresh. And I always sleep really well on these nights because I'm a tummy sleeper. So my face is basically just in the mattress, and I'm just smelling in all that essential oil. It smells so good. It makes your whole house smell really good if you want to do all your beds at once. It's just a really nice refresh, and definitely something you should add to your annual cleaning list. You know, when you have a little bit of extra motivation and you want to do something a little extra, I would definitely recommend this. But it's easy as pie. Just go ahead, take your vacuum it all off, make your bed as you normally would, and just like that, you have deodorized, helped prevent bed bugs, or kind of helped kill them if it's an issue. If you do have bed bugs though, definitely contact professional help, because this is not a solution for that. But this is a great deodorizer and just something to refresh your mattress and help keep it from containing those yucky odors that all kind of seep into the bed from, like, either if you have toddlers, maybe urine, or pets like dogs, cats, night sweats, all of those things. Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the easiest way to make the best relaxing bedtime spray. All you're going to need is some sort of empty bottle, washed of course, and I filled it about halfway with just water. I'm going to take however many scoops I want of any sort of relaxing scent boosters. You could use the downy ones, any ones that smell good to you. They don't even have to be relaxing. This is just what I happen to have on hand, or the lavender scented from Mrs. Meyer. I've had these in the back of my closet for a super long time, and I just kind of want to use them up, to be honest, so I'm going to throw them in this bedtime spray, and that way I can spray my sheets with them, my bedding with them, or even like my couches, or throw blankets and stuff, just to kind of help get everybody in that mood for bed. You have your desired amount of scent boosters in here. All you have to do is kind of mix it up, shake it up, let it dissolve, let it do its thing, and then you are good to go to spray this on whatever you want. That's how you make your own really easy Febreze or bedtime spray in just a couple of seconds. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.